At Learning Plunge, our mission is to make education work not just for some, but for everyone. That's why we've created History Plunge and Geo Plunge, U.S. history and geography card games that are fun, fast-paced, and interactive. They are perfect for families at home and children at schools performing at all levels. In addition to being fun to play, both games are designed to be easy to learn, engaging, and educational. And you don't need any prior knowledge on the topics involved to play. Rather, you learn as you play.
We have to change the way that children view learning, from something that's required to something that's desired. And the first step of that has got to be fun for them, fun for everyone.
With GeoPlunge, just by playing, you can learn about the 50 states, where they are on the map, the capitals, lots of cities, the order states entered the Union, rankings in size and population, U.S. territories, mountains, lakes, and much more. When you play History Plunge, you can learn all about the U.S. presidents, other notable Americans, important events in U.S. history, who was involved, why they occurred, and when those events occurred in relation to each other. Whichever you choose, you can adapt play for beginners, intermediate players, or advanced players. You can even play one-on-one or in teams. Each set contains multiple decks of cards. You choose which games to play based on what type of games you like the most. Race to the finish line type games like Border Up, Dashing States, and Dashing Presidents. Test your knowledge in trivia games that also include strategy, like State IQ, Chummy Challenge, and Who's the President? Or best your friends in major strategy games such as Play the Ranks, Border Zap, and Play the Dates, among many others. Every game is packed with strategy, and consistent feedback has shown that players gain lots of valuable knowledge and develop critical thinking skills, motivation, leadership, and teamwork skills. These benefits spill over into other subjects as well. We've put the games to the test with students that are struggling, those in the middle, and those in advanced programs. We have organized over 30 multi-school tournaments in Washington, D.C. and other cities.
To give students something to look forward to, something to compete in, and something to learn. And it also gives them the opportunity to work in teams, which is not always something that they do in a regular content area in my classroom.
Yo, come on. Florida, Idaho, New Mexico, Wyoming, Colorado. Wait.
I love GeoPlunge. The students love GeoPlunge.
Doing just this alone has given them the confidence to learn and to do other things just as well.
Because Learning Plunge is a non-profit, all game proceeds are used to organize tournaments and provide other educational opportunities and resources in underserved communities. We appreciate your support and are dedicated to continuing our program so that more children will engage, learn, grow, and reach the doorway to success. It also is a great way to have fun with your children while everyone in the family learns at the same time.